How to fix language on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix language on your Facebook app. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you might have a shared account or a shared phone and you give one of your phones to somebody else, and then unknowingly or accidentally they simply change the language to some other languages which you really don't understand. So in this video, I will simply show you how you can fix that, but before that, make sure you have updated your Facebook app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Facebook, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated Facebook, what you want to do is you want to simply go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. Now what you have to do is from the very top right, you have to tap on the menu icon to come to menu page. Remember that if you're actually on iOS, you'll find this option at the bottom right corner instead of top right. So you have to be simply aware of your own devices. Once you do that, scroll down to the very bottom and you'll find this section which says settings and privacy. Go to settings and privacy. As soon as you select settings and privacy, you'll find all these options and you'll find another option over here which is language. So if it's in some other language which you don't understand, you have to simply look out for this globe-like icon. So you can see this globe or earth-like icon, which is basically the language icon over here. If it's set to some other language, tap on the language button. And over here, you can simply change it to English. So if it was set to, let's say, Espanol, for example, you can see it will refresh the Facebook app. And if you don't understand anything, you could just go ahead and then go to this globe icon over here and then select English. But this is basically how you can fix language on Facebook if it's just really messed up. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.